Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, today is Vlogtober day 14. I know I'm a day behind, but don't worry, I'll catch up the extra day, okay? If you're new to my channel, every day in October I will be uploading a video, so you guys should come back every single day to see what delicious menu I whip up in the kitchen. Alright, so today's video is gonna be a chicken burger. Alright, homemade chicken burger. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious burger. Tasty, juicy, and delicious, just like mine. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give the video thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Okay, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Today I did 2 burgers this morning, and here they are. I'm just giving you a quick glimpse of the burger. One with lettuce and one without. Alright, so see how I make these delicious burgers? Keep on watching. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy. Hi guys, here's the ingredients for my homemade chicken burger. So first we have some breadcrumbs, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, thyme powder, onion powder, paprika, cilantro, chili powder, parsley flakes, black pepper. We have some grated garlic, grated ginger, 1 egg, and some mustard hot sauce. And this is my chicken mince here. This is gonna give me 2 chicken burger. Alright, so let's go season our meat now. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and some chicken seasoning. We're gonna put in some paprika, and a little bit of thyme powder, onion powder. Check the description box down below for all the measurements and ingredients. I'm gonna put in some cilantro, chili powder to give it a little spice, just a little bit. I'm gonna put in some parsley flakes and some black pepper, our mustard hot sauce, just a little bit, because we already put the chili powder. And we're gonna put in our grated garlic and our grated ginger. Alright, so you're gonna mix everything together. We'll be back. So my chicken patty is already seasoned up. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna put in a little bit of breadcrumbs and mix it up. And I'm gonna put in my egg as well. This is only gonna give me 2 patties, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of my egg only. I won't put the whole egg because it's only 2 patties I'm gonna get out of this. But if you're doing for like 4 patties or so, you can use the whole egg. Alright, so you're gonna leave this to marinate in the fridge. You can leave it to marinate overnight, or you can leave it to marinate for about an hour. I'm gonna leave it to marinate for about an hour, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken mince has been in the fridge for over 24 hours. I was supposed to continue making the video yesterday, but I had to go out. So now it's morning time, so I'm now going to fry up my burgers. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is put some butter into your pan. So my butter is into my pan there. So what I'm gonna do is make it's 2 patties I'm making today. So just kind of make it into a circle and press down like this. All right, you don't have to be like a perfect circle. This size is good, right? And you put it into your pan like this and press down into the middle. Alright, so you're gonna let this fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We'll be back. So I'm gonna turn it over now so it can cook on the other side. And so just flip it over. And I'm gonna add a little bit more butter as well. Alright. I'll let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the other side as well. Alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put a piece of cheese on it. I'll let it cook for about another minute and then I'll take it out. We'll be back. So I just put some more butter in the pan there. So I'm gonna put my other patty into the pot there. This one is not a perfect shape. Okay, then just now. Okay guys, so my burger finished frying up. So I'm going to toast my buns into the pan. I'm just gonna put some butter in your pan like this. So this is my burger here. So I'm going to I'm using the burger with the sesame seeds. I'm just gonna put it into the butter and let it toast for about a minute or two. We'll be back. Okay, while my bun is toasting, I have some ketchup here. So I'm gonna put in a little mayonnaise. I'm making a sauce. So I'm gonna put the ketchup, the mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard pepper, and mix it out. Alright, this is my sauce I'm gonna put on top of my burger. Alright, so let me make my burger now. So this is my bun here. So I'm gonna put a little sauce at the bottom of my buns. I'm gonna put some cucumber. Then I'm gonna put my patty, my chicken patty. I already have my cheese on it. I'm gonna put some more cucumber. Alright. I love a lot of cucumber. And I'm gonna put my lettuce. Ooh, it's falling off. And on top here I'm gonna put my sauce on the cucumber. Alright, and some more sauce on top of my bun. And then I'm gonna put my lettuce, and here it goes. So this is my homemade chicken burger. Okay guys, so this is the end result for my homemade chicken burger. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, today is Vlogtober day 14. I know I'm a day behind, but I'll make it up to you guys. Alright, and follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.